When I used to be young, I was asking people how to be successful. This was the most important question I was asking a lot of people. But most of the time, I was getting a 3-word answer: work really hard. And I was like, everybody's working hard. Even when I go to restaurant, my first job was in a restaurant. I was working in a fish and chip shop. And I was looking at the chef. He was working 80 to 90 hours a week. To my understanding, that was really hard. He was working really, really hard. But he was not successful as he has to be, based on what people told me, like you have to work really, really hard. Recently, I come to this conclusion of working hard is not the only solution to get to the success. Don't even bother to work hard unless you have a very good plan or you have a very good decision. Why good decision? In modern day, the quality of your decision making is everything, literally everything in life. So the quality of your decision is far more important than anything else in life. Why? Let me give you an example. Let's say Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is making the right decision 80 to 90% of the time. He's not making 100%, but 80 to 90% of the time he's making the right decision. And that's why he is very successful and he's rich. And the rest of the time he is sitting there reading books, reading balance sheet, traveling, or like hanging out with friends. I don't know what else he does. But 80 to 90% of the time he is making the right decision. Once you make the right decision, I think that's the right time. You have to be working extremely hard. So hard work is not the only solution, but good decision making and working really hard is the perfect solution. So what is necessary to make the good decision? Having a peaceful mind, being a happier person, relying on momentary pleasure will allow you to make the right decision. So go read about this sort of stuff and try to be like momentary happy and enjoying your time and like have a peaceful mind. This all will help you to make the right decision. So these are very important for good decision making. Even this will increase your effectiveness in life as well. So once you make the right decision, that's the time to take action. Be very impatient for action and be very patient for the result, because sometimes for the market, it will take a long time to adopt your product. And don't expect the outcome very quickly. Be very patient for the outcome. Be very impatient for the action. So work as hard as you can, make the right decision. Let me wrap up this video with Naval's great line. Inspiration is perishable. So when you have aspiration, act on it immediately. Alright guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. More importantly, get a free stock with a stake. By now, you should be able to buy ASX stocks and US stock with a stake, just all in one platform. And Stake is giving away one free stock, which worth around like $100 sometime. Free stock, yes please. Link in the description.